Good morning, students of class 7. Today we are going to start our annual syllabus, and the first chapter is chapter 7. So, chapter 7 today we are starting, that is linear equations in one variable. So, linear equation in one variable means that chapter you have already done in class 6. Suppose the equation is 7x plus 3 equal to 5. This is a linear equation in one variable, because one variable means only x, that is only one variable present here, and the power of x is 1, that's why it is linear. So this is a linear equation in one variable. So now we will start exercise 7a. Just see that in exercise 7a, solve the following equations and check your result in each case. That part you have to not do. Check your result in each case, only solve the following equation, that part we will do. So this type of sums also you have done in class 6, that after solving the equation you have to find the value of the variable. So here 1 to up 32 questions are there. So different types of questions I have solved. First I have solved question number 12, that one. So how you have to solve question number 12, 2m plus 5 by 3 equal to 3m minus 10. We know what are the steps to solve the equation. First we have to take all the variables on left side and all the constant on right side. So on that way you have done, that is 2m plus 5 by 3 is already given in left side, so left side we have written, 3m on the right side, so that we have taken on left side, so it will come minus 3m, and minus 10 is the constant which is given in right side, so that is same we have taken. Now 2m plus 5 by 3 and minus 3m means it is given by 1, nothing means. So you have to do the LCM. Left side fraction subtraction is there, so LCM is 3. So numerator will be same, 2m plus 5 minus here 1, 1 3s are 3, so 3 into 3m, 9m will come minus 10. So 2m minus 9m minus 7m plus 5 by 3 equal to minus 10. So minus 7m plus 5 equal to 3 into minus 10, so minus 30. Minus 7m equal to minus 30 plus 5 will be minus 5. So minus 7m equal to minus 35. So minus minus both side minus will cut. So m equal to 35 by 7, that is coming 5. So m equal to 5. That will be the answer. Next I have done, that is question number 24. Question number 24, 25, 26, these are the same types of sum. This one is a larger one, that's why I have solved this. So see that question number 24, here bracket is given here. Okay, so whenever in your equation the bracket is given, the first work is you have to split the bracket. So on that way you have solved the second line. Just see that how you have split it. 3 by 4 into 7x minus 1. So 3 by 4 into 7x. So what will come? 3 7s are 21x by 4. Then 3 by 4 into 1. Minus sign is there, same minus sign. 3 by 4 into 1 means 3 by 4. Then minus 2x, minus minus plus 1 minus x by 2 will be same, and this side x plus 3 by 2. So in the first line we have splitted the bracket. Then what we have to do, all the variables we have to take on the left side and all constant on the right side. So variables are 21x by 4, so we have keep it here, and then okay, minus 3 by 4 minus 2x, and that one we can do as 1 by 2 plus minus minus x by 2. On that way you can solve. Otherwise all the x terms you can take on left side and all the constant on the right side. On that way also you can solve. So x plus 3 by 2. Now all the x we have, all the variables we have taken on the left side. So it's coming 21x by 4 minus 2x minus x by 2, and this side x is there, so it will come minus x equal to 3 by 2 is constant, minus 3 by 4 will go on right side, so it will come plus 3 by 4, plus half will go on right side, so it will become minus half. Now left side we have to do the LCM. 2x by 1, nothing means x by 1. So LCM 2 and 4, LCM is coming 4. So 21x minus 8x minus 2x minus 4x. This step you can do. And this side also LCM. So it's coming 2 is 4. So 3 to the 6 plus 3 minus 2. So after doing calculation, it's coming 7x by 4 equal to 7 by 4. So x equal to 7 by 4 is in multiplication. So when it will go on the right side, it will come 4 by 7. After doing cancellation, it's coming x equal to 1. So this type of equation also you have done in class 6. So on that way also you can solve. Then I have done question number 29. Question number 29, 30, 28, 27 and 11, 13, 14. These are same types of question. So this is a question. So first work we have to split the bracket. So 2.4 into 3 it's coming 7.2 minus 2.4 into x means 2.4x minus 0.6 into 2x means 1.2x minus plus 0.6 into 3 means 1.8. Then all x we have to take in the left side and all constant we have taken on right side. So it's coming minus 3.6x equal to minus 9.0. So x equal to 9.0 by 3.6. Then we have to eliminate the point. After eliminating point, we have done the cancellation. So it's coming 5 by 2. Since the numbers are given in decimal numbers, so we have converted in decimal numbers. So x equal to 2.5 it's coming. Question number 31 and 32. Both are the same types of sum. See that 2x plus 5 by 3x plus 4 equal to 3 by 1. So when in the left side and in the right side there is no other operation, only see that the fraction form is there. Numerator by denominator, this side also numerator by denominator. There is no plus minus, divide, multiply. So on that time what we have to do? We have to do the cross multiplication. So 1 into 2x plus 5 equal to 3 into 3x plus 4. Then we have to split the bracket. So it's coming 2x plus 5 equal to 9x plus 12. 3 3s are 9 plus 3 4s are 12. Then all x in the left side, 2x minus 9x equal to 12 minus 5. So it's coming minus 7x equal to 7. So x equal to 7 by minus 7. See that here 1 by minus 1 it's coming. Minus sign we cannot keep in the denominator. That's why we have multiplied with minus 1 in the denominator and in the numerator. So after doing multiplication it's coming x equal to minus 1. So that will be the answer. So in this way exercise 7a you have to solve, you have to practice all the equations how you have to solve.